Nag-aya ang bata eh. Kaya after so many years, nakabalik ulit ako dito. Kaya let's go! Sobrang laki na pala ng nadagdag sa entrance fee. Ito talaga yung favorite ko eh, ang bomb car. Kaya nakailang balik ako dito. Ito yung isa na napadagdag na attraction dito, ang Agila. Kaso, sobrang haba naman ng pila. Pero, worth it naman pala ang paghihintay.
To the Philippines and can't be found anywhere else in the world. A rich biodiversity maintains healthy and balanced ecosystems.
The fire dance is an enchanting performance featuring the fire rituals of the lost tribe of Quetzalcoatl held at the Jungle Outpost area. This high-energy show showcases tribal performers doing fire knife dancing, furlong, and acrobatics, often performed in the late afternoon or evening. Often part of the park's evening entertainment, sometimes held alongside fireworks displays, especially during peak seasons. The performance involves acrobatic stunts with lit torches, providing a dramatic, cultural, and thrilling spectacle.
nasawi ang palad, hindi kami umabot sa fireworks kasi nakapila kami niyan sa Rio Grande. Katatapos lang naming mag Rio Grande dito at kami ay basang-basa. Magpapatuyo muna kami dito sa Flying Fiesta. Kaya muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Baka naman pwedeng pa-like ng video na to at pa-subscribe na din kung hindi pa. Thank you!